Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok notification not working. So if this is the problem, then let's say you're not using your TikTok, but you have downloaded and installed the app and somebody sends you a message or somebody likes your video or somebody sends you a follow request or tries to follow you or does follow you and you're not getting any notification from it. You have to open your TikTok app and click on inbox to see what new notifications you have, alright? If that's the case, then I'm going to be showing you a way through which all of your notification is going to be displayed over here on the screen, just like on my case over here. All right, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you in order to do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, close your TikTok and go on your phone setting. And on your phone setting, make sure you find TikTok over here. Once you find TikTok, click on TikTok and rest this notification, click on it and click on allow notification. This is basically gonna allow TikTok's notification to appear on your phone. All right, so make sure you provide notification permission to TikTok on your phone. So this is how you guys can do it for iPhone. Now go on TikTok again and go on your profile at the bottom of your screen and click on the three line at the top. Go on setting and privacy. And you can see where it says, notification, push notification, the full form. Click on it and make sure all of it is turned on and you're going to get notification. But if you don't want to get some notifications, you can turn it off and you're not going to get those notifications. So I turned off my likes notification, which means every time somebody likes my, video, I'm not going to get the notification. But my other notification is turned, which means if I get a comment, I'm going to get the notification. If somebody messages me, I'm going to get the notification. All right. So yeah, that's how you guys can fix your TikTok notification not working problem on your phone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step. See you guys next time. Bye bye.